What's the meaning of bodily? Bodily. Bodily.
Bodily. Bodily. The term bodily refers to anything related to the physical body. It is an adjective that describes something that is directly related to the physical form of a person or an animal. When someone is referred to as bodily, it may mean they are completely focused on their physical aspect and ignoring their mental and emotional health. In addition, bodily functions refer to physical processes such as digestion, breathing, and movement. The term can also be used in relation to bodily sensations, such as pain, pleasure, and discomfort. Overall, bodily is an important term that relates to the physical aspect of life, and understanding its significance can help to better understand the human body and how it functions.